Caution before assembly. Please put the product on the flat surface when assembling. There are small components used in the construction of this product. Keep the parts out of the reach of children when assembling to avoid danger. Lift frame A. Then fix A with 2 screws E. Insert frame A to frame B. Fix A and B with 2 screws F from the side. Fasten each screw by 90% firstly. Then fasten 2 screws E. Finally, fasten all 4 screws. Insert long screw D into the bottom tube of frame B. Fix 2 wheels, C to D, with 2G and 2H.